Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you for joining me for the Bringing Back Basic Gray collaboration. This was an idea that Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts had. So we're doing this, and I think Kathy of Stampin' Cat on Instagram has also joined us. Today I decided to make my sister's birthday card before work. July is a hot mess, it's a circus, and I have to fit these things in. My sister is a fine arts trained, educated artist, paint, ceramics. She's amazing. It's really intimidating to make her cards. And we've talked about how making a card for one person can be hard. And maybe it's just easier to free your mind and say, I'm going to make a card and not worry about who it's for. Deep down, I was still thinking about who it's for. For my sister, there would be a lot of texture, a lot of color. There wouldn't be necessarily symmetry and all of the super neat card makerness. When my sister and I stamped together one year, we were making a birthday card for somebody really quick, and I did the leaves green and the flowers purple, and my sister was like, what? And she took all the colors and started mixing them up. That's just how she is. She's not a monochromatic type lady. So this is a big birthday for her, and I thought about putting the number, but I knew that she wouldn't appreciate that. And I needed to make something with Basic Gray. So I got out this wisteria paper pad from Basic Gray. Basic Gray doesn't make paper anymore. They do fabric now, you lucky fabric people. And I laid out all those brand new pieces, and then I thought, no, I wanted something kind of collagey or different. So I started playing with the scraps, and then I had this idea, and I thought the happy birthday would fit in that section of gold. No, okay, we're going to have to change it up. We're going to go horizontal, which I decided was better for her because everything on the card shouldn't necessarily be vertical. That's just not her style. So really trying to mix it up and not center things and make them all perfect like we would. I love another year closer to Velcro shoes for her. Her and I have a joke about that. And I liked it on the front of the card because it brought in the white and it added more interest. And I didn't want the front to be plain. But I wanted the punchline inside the card. Also, if my mom sees that, I might get in trouble because it's a joke on someone. And yeah, it's probably better if I just put it inside the card. My sister will probably rat me out, but it's okay. So I had the navy happy birthday already punched. Maybe I would have stopped and made it matchy-matchy if I didn't, but again, that's not what this card is about. My apologies, I zoomed in, which has its benefits, but then I kind of got on a roll creating and forgot you were there, so I wasn't paying attention. So you're going to miss some things, but we'll figure it out. Overall, this card took me about 20 minutes. You have 5 minutes of video because I sped some things up 2 times, and then when I got off camera, I sped it up a lot. Roll with me and you'll see how it turns out. And my point is that I want you to see I'm fiddling. I'm like, okay, how can I use that triangle and how will this go? Just fiddle, but don't stress. Have some fun doing it and say, okay, worst case scenario, I make a birthday card that I feel like I can't give to my sister. It's not the one. But once I put another year closer to Velcro shoes in it, I had to. That is from a stamp set from Noni. If you absolutely need to know what stamp set that's in, ask her in the comments below and she can respond back to you. It has, and They Lived Happily Ever After and Happy Anniversary. It's a big stamp set with a whole bunch of cool things. Then I had it all perfect and straight, and it didn't work for me. So I cut a tiny strip of the torn purple and put it on there, and I kind of loved it. I felt like, aha, we're getting there. This might be it. And then I set it down and I looked at it, and I thought about my sister. She makes amazing paintings with like every color of the rainbow and so much texture. And I looked at it and then I thought, oh, I have these butterflies sitting off to the side. Now, these butterflies are with that Simple Stories collection that I always forget the name of, Vintage Cotton Fields, whatever. So they're not exactly the same color, which my sister would say you need to bring in different colors and have lots of fun. And what I'm doing is there's brads down the center of that butterfly, so I'm coating it with giant glue dots. It won't go anywhere now. This probably isn't mailable at this point, even with a hand stamped stamp. It would have to go in a package. I feel like this is a nice blend of her style and my style, and it's a card that I feel good about. Some years I have spent hours making her birthday card. I've literally ruined stamps playing with heavy duty embossing powder and mixed media products trying to make her birthday cards over the years. Don't worry about the scratches and the gold. It just shows on camera. It won't show in real life. Be sure to go to Bourbon Creek Crafts and check out Beth's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.